Alright fam, pupunta kami sa D-Mall ngayon. It's about a 20-minute walk.
Chaka bells.
Hindi naman Chaka. It's about a 20-minute walk mula dito.
My wife knows you from.
Oh, okay.
I get a picture with you.
Yeah, sure man. Yep, no worries. Three Stooges. Three sisters. And his grandpa and grandma. Alright, everyone's getting massages. Sa akin siguro aloe vera kung meron sila kasi sunog na.
This beautiful life.
Alright, Dr. Fam, ang massage na done. Buti natin natulog. How was your massage, Emily? It was pretty good, eh? Mom, oh, you didn't get a massage, did you? Did you?
Yeah.
Oh, you did? How was it?
For the
It's good, right? Oh, very good. Metro, did you have fun? Did you have fun with Romeo? Yeah? Hey, Nana May! Oh, you're like a big brother to Nitro. You like your best friend, Nitro? Your big brother? Romeo like your big brother? Alright. Pagkatapos ng massage namin, we're gonna check out D-Mall with the family. Grabe pula-pula ko na. We sit. Nitro! 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 Do you like your cousins? Yes? Hey Romeo, you play Bato Bato Pig. You know how to play it? Ready? Bato Bato Pig. Oh, we both got Nitro. You and Nitro play. Ready? Bato Bato Pig. Oh, you got him again. Another one. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Bato Bato Pig. Oh, Nitro got ya. Oh, you got paper. You got Nitro.
Hindi pwede pa pet massage.
Bagal ng mga puti. Hindi ko kaya sa aming mga pula. Say it again, Dad. What? What'd you say?
Look, it's Grandpa.
We're taking a walk down D-Mall today. Montro fam. 50 pesos, 40 seconds. Eto na! Brooke got Coco Mama. Yeah.
Delicious.
How do you say delicious in Tagalog?
I have no idea.
Sarap.
Sarap.
Yeah.
Masarap. Masarap.
Oh, here goes Nate. Nathaniel, the layout. Oh, he's got 5, 6. 7. 8. Oh mate, get that pacemaker pumping. Oi. Oh, you got one.
Oh, yung paper. Ano, open paper.
2.
Oh, GG? Yeah. Pwede na naman siya. That's where the pen.
Just
Come on, mate. Oh, hey. You beat Emily anyway. All right, Shanta stand.
okay.
You can do it, Santa. Go on, let's go.
gonna show the family Boracay sunset. And pagkatapos nun, kakain kami. Sana bukas hindi na ako mapula. Kakainis. Look at that, Romeo. It's pretty cool, eh?
So amazing.
What do you reckon, Cindy? It's awesome, eh?
That's amazing.
What do you think, man? Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
Look at that, Dad. Sunset, mate. Nice. So beautiful, eh?
Ang minamahal ko, aking diwata.
Natra, what did you say?
I said I wanna press free again, and then I wanna press G because I wanna do it by myself because
Why, in the elevator?
yeah.
Oh, you want to press all the buttons in the elevator, do you?
Yes.
Don't do it yet. Wait. I thought we were relaxing.
What?
We're relaxing
I was
first.
done. Well, I was just trying to do it. I just wanna do it 2 times and then I'll go back here. No, I just wanna do it 2 times because I'm
you
gonna press G and then I'm gonna
Well, how
press.
about we do it when we go back to the hotel? Why don't we stay here first for a bit, yeah? Look, it's nice and relaxing. We're relaxing by the pool.
And
Very good.
And the pool is lighting.
Alright, guys, we are relaxing by the pool. Grabe yung sunburn ko. Kaya nag-swimming ako kanina para mag-cool down yung body ko. Tingnan mo si Nitro, hayahayang buhay. Alright, salamat sa panonood. Don't you fam? We're just chillaxing on this hotel, Boracay. Love this
Daddy, I'm
hotel.
done relaxing.
This is a
now.
great decision we made.
Daddy, I'm done relaxing now.
Well, Nacho's done relaxing, so we better end the vlog. Good night, guys. Salamat sa panonood. We'll kita-kits sa sunod na video namin.